The UK is set to bathe in a mini heatwave for weeks, with the Met Office predicting that dry spells, sunshine and above average temperatures will dominate the weather sphere. Britons currently suffering the effects of Storm Kathleen will be excited to learn that the cold, wet conditions experienced in March will soon be comfortably in the rearview mirror. Yellow weather warnings were issued across the west coast of England and Wales yesterday, with just one warning continuing this morning in Scotland. However, Ireland suffered the worst battering, with Met Éireann issuing an orange wind warning yesterday as a low-pressure system collided with the jet stream. Looking forward though, Britain should be starting to feel the first touches of summer, as much of the UK is expected to experience sunshine and an extended dry spell. According to the Met Office long-range forecasts for both mid-April and early May, sunshine could dominate a lot of the UK, especially in the south and east. The forecaster added that temperatures will most likely be above normal for the period as a whole. The Met Office's long-range forecast reads, "Southern and eastern areas are likely to have some decent drier spells of weather with some good sunshine at times. While some rain is still likely, it's probably going to be less heavy and much less frequent than recent weeks. Above average temperatures are most likely overall, although some cooler interludes are possible at times, especially in the north." The forecast from the 21st of April to the 5th of May then continued. Through the second half of April and the beginning of May, there is no strong signal for any one weather pattern to dominate over another. As such, further rain and showers are likely at times, perhaps most frequently in the north and northwest. There is also a reasonable chance of some drier and sunnier spells of weather, with these likely being more frequent towards the south and east. Temperatures most likely above normal for the period as a whole. NetWeather's long-range forecast, which goes all the way to the end of April, says that late April and early May could have warmer weather and could be less wet than normal as well. Furthermore, they say, substantial warmth via southerly winds could drive average temperatures up by 1 to 2 degrees. NetWeather believes that the weather could settle better towards the end of April and into early May. They say there is some uncertainty over whether this change will set in during the back end of April or be delayed until early May, but there is a fair chance of this period becoming warmer and somewhat less wet relative to normal, especially towards the end of this period. They then go on to say that nearer average rainfall and sunshine amounts look probable for the period, probably with temperatures a degree or two above the long-term average, though there is potential for more substantial warmth via southerly winds. Nicholas Dunning, GB News.